Hi there, my name's Dan from Carlisle Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this brand new Audi.
So here we have the Q5 featured in the S-Line trim and finished in the optional Navarra blue metallic paintwork. This is a 40 TDI model, meaning it sports a 2-litre diesel engine which produces 204 PS, which is delivered in combination with the S Tronic gearbox and quattro all-wheel drive system. Being an S-Line model, it does feature some fantastic styling upgrades, such as these 19-inch 5 twin-spoke star design alloy wheels complementing the exterior exceptionally well. The LED headlights with the built-in daytime red light using a fantastic technology illuminating the road, and it also features the optional folding tow bar. The boot capacity in this Q5 is 550 litres, which is plenty of storage for any large items, and it's even got the privacy screen to help you secure these items out of sight. As we look towards the interior, it comes finished in the half leather and half Alcantara, with offering plenty of comfort and support for your rear passengers and features Isofix anchor points. The front seats are a sport style with the S embossed logo, and the upholstery matches that of the rear, offering plenty of support and adjustment for any length of journey. It features the optional comfort and sound pack, giving you Bang & Olufsen sound system. The 360-degree camera system, offering many fields of view when it comes to parking and maneuvering this vehicle. And it also features the extended interior lighting pack, offering up to 30 different colours to choose from to customise the surfaces and contours of this vehicle. We've got the silver inlays with the quattro badge contrasting nicely against a black interior, and there's controls mounted on the steering wheel for display and media. Behind the steering wheel is the Audi virtual cockpit, giving you full customisation and viewing menus such as vehicle information, navigation or media inputs, all within your peripheral vision. To the centre, you've got your Audi MMI system, which is your colour touchscreen containing applications such as DAB and FM radio, and for your unfamiliar journeys, you've got the satellite navigation, which provides a crisp and clear display. It also features Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and I'll leave a link to the top right hand corner of the screen to show you how you can set this feature up. You've also got Audi Drive Select, which works very well with the quattro all-wheel drive system, giving you various driving profiles. And you've got your 3-zone climate control for driver and passengers, and the front seats are heated. You've got your Drive Select quick toggle, as well as some media inputs via 12-volt socket and USB-C, as well as your stop-start button. It features the perforated leather-wrapped gear selector, adding to that comfort and premium feel of the vehicle. And for the long journeys, you can get comfortable with the central armrest with cup holders for added convenience.
This vehicle comes with minimum of 3 years warranty and 3 years roadside assistance. For any more information on this vehicle or to arrange a test drive, please call us now on 01228 371 516 or inquire online. Thank you for watching this video.